Hello, my little friends. Welcome back with Bunda Suci. Today, Bunda Suci is going to make a special drawing tutorial to welcome Ramadan. We will draw a beautiful Ramadan-themed poster together. In this poster, we can draw a crescent moon, shining stars, a mosque, and colorful lanterns. It will be a lovely artwork to celebrate this blessed month. Are you ready to draw with Bunda Suci? Grab your paper, pencils, and markers, and let's start creating something beautiful together. Let's say it together with a big smile. Welcome Ramadan. Happy Ramadan to all Muslims around the world. May this holy month bring peace, happiness, and blessings to everyone. Don't forget to show your drawing to Bunda Suci, okay? See you in the next fun drawing tutorial.